Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is show you step by step how to claim and stake your Dega. So I'm going to be doing this with the Cardano side. So you can also do this with your MetaMask for Ethereum and I believe Polkadot as well. So let's start off with the staking. That's what we're going to do. And if you want, you guys can go to CoinGecko and you can now type in Dega and get a token price. So the price is low, but the supply is super high, right? And again, that's what happens, right? You don't know if the price is going to be a penny, a dollar, $2. We did know that the supply was high. And over time, this will do well with the bull run. So, again, you are forfeiting your ADA in order to get in on a project pretty early. So yeah, let's get into that. So we are back to Twitter. Let's get into how to claim. And it's very straightforward. Basically, you connect your wallet and you hit claim. But I'm going to do it anyways for the first time. Okay, so let's dive into this. So you guys can use the Linktree if you want. Go to this one, NFTs, Dega Realms. So that's going to be realms.degaplatform.com. So if you use the Linktree, if you want, it doesn't matter. Again, realms.degaplatform.com. You're going to connect your wallet. So for me, I'm going to use this Nami, and I have a visual representation for you. So if we copy this public address, this is the wallet that corresponds to that. So I have 5 NFTs. That's what I have there. I also have some NVL in this wallet. So you guys know some of the wallets I have. So once you connect your wallet, very simple to do. You're going to go to the top right, hit connect. And then I've already put in my password. So next you're going to go to claim. Okay, so right now it's showing 3,067. It did show 60,000. I think it's just being a little bit wonky. So when I go to claim Dega on the top right, yeah, it will give me the proper amount. I believe it's 61,300. So I don't know if this is just a percentage of what we're getting. So there is a vesting period. So basically you can only get a little bit of the assets now and then the rest later. So we're going to hit confirm and I'm going to put in a password. There we go. Claim successful. So you've successfully claimed the Dega. Okay, so we're going to wait and see what we get here. So again, it's going to be in this address. So maybe it'll be right here next to VyFi. And there we go. There we go. So 61,000 Dega. So now we can stake that, right? So if you take a look here, again, we're going to refresh it. That is with this wallet. So this is going to be with Nami. And the other thing with the Nami too, you want to make sure that you set collateral. And that's to make sure that you can, you have enough Lovelace to support the transaction. So that looks really good there. And what we can do next is we can now stake our Dega. And by the way, Dega is now available on a centralized exchange. That's going to be MEXC. So I will be going over that in a separate video. For now, I just want to show you how to claim, how to stake, and give you some thoughts and opinions on that. All right, so the next step is to stake your Dega. So what we're going to do is stake to VyFi. That's VyFi. So there is no lockup. Meaning you don't have to do a 1 year, 5 year. You just stake, and then when you want to withdraw, you do that. You're going to get an APY fixed at 7.7%. So if you're doing Ethereum, holding Dega on Ethereum's chain, then you're going to be using Tokens Farm, which I've used in the past. Works really well. That's a 90-day. So benefits, of course, you get bonuses, gifts, so airdrops. So keep that in mind. So we're going to go to VyFi. You're going to want to connect your wallet. So if I disconnect here, you're going to go to connect, choose your wallet. For us, it's going to be Nami. Okay, so we're now connected and we're going to go to Volts. Once we're in Volts, then we can click here on stake under Dega. So if we click here, again, that is right around the APR. We have this option. So if we do, for example, my entire balance, we can see what we would earn over the course of 7 days, 30, plus compounding. So let's say we compound every 7 days or 14 days, whatever. So the 1 year looks enticing. and 5-year you'd be getting like 46%. So this may change, and obviously the more people that do this, it's going to change as well. So here we're going to click on stake. Again, the numbers are showing a little bit weird for me, but I also set collateral. So if you have an issue at all, go to your Nami, okay, click and go to collateral and make sure to sign a transaction adding collateral. I was having an issue earlier and I think I'm able to fix that. So as you scroll this over, you will see your number increase. I'm going to do the max, okay? So the ROI is not showing, but it should work. So if I go to confirm, again, you guys may have this issue as well. Comment down below. I'm trying to fix this and operate this as I go as well. So I should be able to sign a transaction now. So again, you're just going to do a percentage that you want. Here I'm going to click sign, put in a password. And there we go. So transaction submitted. So once this goes through, you guys will see that. And we can then go to vaults and see what we have staked. So again, this is just going to be a transaction. It looks like if we go under recent transactions, we can see it loading here. So again, comment down below. Are you impressed with how much Dega you are earning? And again, I believe this is only a percentage of what we're getting long term. So there's a vesting period. I believe that's what it is for these. The token price is going to be very low at the moment, but it should change over time. So if we go to our visual, it looks like our tokens are gone. Again, we'll hit refresh. So it looks like this is starting to work here. So if we go to transactions, recent transaction, looks like it completed. So here we're going to, oh, I guess we're starting to see it right here. There we go. So we're just earning and earning and earning. So I've now successfully staked 61,348 Dega, and we can begin to harvest as the number gets to an appropriate stance. So that is how you claim and stake your Dega. If you guys are interested, head over to the Linktree. If you guys want to learn, you can take an online course. You guys can follow us on socials. I'm going to be doing a NVL video in the future. So here you can see that I'm starting to earn some Iagon, I believe it is. So similar wallet. There we go. So I've got 3 pools set up now. I have tutorials on that. So guys, subscribe to Crypto Moose and pick up a Tangem. You can now get the Tangem ring. Use code Moose on that. You can pick up a Trezor. That you do not save anything. I thought we did, but we didn't. But anyways, you can save up to 25% off hardware wallets. Use code Moose for the Trezor. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.